Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be reacting to
JO1 test drive performance video.
What do you think is going to be the car?
It's just a performance video.
Oh. I got excited. Cute car. Oh, wow. Wow. I like their fashion. The colors are so complementary
Such
to
a
each
big
other.
group.
Yeah.
That's the first impression.
Well, I like it. They don't all have to wear the same thing in this one.
I like this.
Yeah, I like how the blue hair complements his yellow jacket.
Oh, yeah.
It's nice.
I like this upbeat song. It's good. I'm enjoying it. I do wish we had the captions, you know, so, but it's okay, it's a performance video, we're here for the dance moves.
I got scared. Something scared me, I don't know. Maybe the sound shake.
No, the floor vibrated, I felt it.
Okay.
Oh, interesting.
Okay, so I like how their fashion reminds me of like high school varsity, like maybe for the baseball team, because we have the baseball themes.
Yeah,
background.
and it opened up with the baseball, fuck. Like the very first like couple of seconds, there was like a baseball. Yeah.
You know, when I see a baseball, I think of better up. But you know, I feel like baseball is a popular sport.
It's a popular sport in Japan.
Yeah, I didn't realize how popular
it's super
it was.
popular. Yeah,
I don't think here is as popular, or is it the most? Is it? I don't know. I don't watch it. You watch it?
I think it's the second. I don't watch it, but I think it's the second most popular in America after football. I think it's baseball. A lot of old people watch. For me, it's not enough action. I like a faster paced sport. But they can dance. I like their dance moves. It's pretty good.
Oh, I love this fashion.
Yeah, the clothes are really cool in this video. I'm really enjoying a lot of this.
Yeah, the style is
there's a lot of
job.
colors. They're matching well. I like it.
I'm so impressed how large this group is and how they coordinate with each other to this choreography, because they don't need backup dancers.
Yeah, I think them and 17 are two groups that are good with no backup dancers, because 17 has, I believe, 13 members. I think we counted, it was 11, I want to say. So, I don't know, that's a lot of people. Okay, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
They keep
11.
adding. They keep adding.
No, it's 11. Yeah, I remember we counted before. It's 11 members.
I like how the side reflects grass. It's like the way they play with the space and how the design is really pretty for a performance video.
And you know, test drive so it's kind of fitting. Like you have the tire tracks
Oh.
because it's test drive. You know.
Oh, that's so smooth. Wow. That's a pretty good double because I didn't notice that because to me it looked like the baseball, the red markings.
Oh no!
Yeah.
I immediately thought it was tire tracks, especially.
What
since
did you guys think it was? To me, it was like a baseball, but
Because
you
it's
thought
called
it was
test
tire.
drive.
So it's pretty cool that they have this switch up. I love how they perform. Their vocals sound very amazing. Even though it's just a performance video, they are performing. Wow.
Yeah, but they're not singing live here.
No, I know.
Yeah.
It's just the vocals on the song and they sound
No, the song
nice.
is really good. We never heard it before, but
Yeah.
I enjoyed the song. It's good.
This is a big group. But they sound perfectly so everyone is seen.
Because it's odd number. And when it's even number, that's when somebody has to get behind.
Ooh. But I love that they were able to collaborate and work on this together. This is definitely a phenomenal performance. Woohoo!
Let's drive.
I wonder why we had the performance video before the actual music video.
Ooh, 8th single, Hitchhiker. Ooh, that's far.
Oh, wow.
But yeah.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join the gang. And as always, share as much kindness as possible. Bye.